Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Darshan and today we'll learn about lemmatization. A very similar operation to stemming is called lemmatizing. The major difference between these is that stemming can often create non-existent words, whereas lemmas are actual words. Lemmatization is the algorithmic process of finding the lemma of a word depending on their meaning. Lemmatization is a more powerful operation than stemming. Let's see it with comparison. As shown, we have imported stemmers and then, we have imported WordNet Lemmatizer. After creating object of each of these, we have printed the results. First reason of being superior than stemmers, is that words are converted properly to their root. So, better is converted into good rather than bet or better. Second reason is that stemmers convert into words that may not exist, but lem converts it into actual words. As you can see, study is converted poorly in stemming, but in lemmatization, it is converted properly. So this was lemmatization and its comparison with stemmers. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.